Forget everything you think you know about seed rounds. They're exploding because the old game is dying, and only those who move fast and smart survive. If you're stuck waiting for traditional signals, you're already losing. You must lock eyes with founders who have fire, not just fancy decks. Stop chasing the herd, hunt what others ignore. Micro trends, overlooked regions, relentless founders who bend reality. Push beyond surface metrics. Dive deep into founders' true grit and vision. Connect with those who refuse comfort, who break the system daily. Seed rounds are your chance to shape the future. Grab the chaos, ride the disruption, and build the network that breaks every limit. Now, open the featured link.